To open with the usual process, we've got the price of oil. It's gone down a little bit from 48.72 down to 48.34. Not a massive decrease, which is good. And as it pertains to the Canadian dollar, we're down slightly as well, almost on the same point as the oil. We're at 74.94 versus 74.25.
Hopefully that price of oil stabilized somewhat. I know it's dropped down below the $50 mark for the first time this year as of a week or two ago. Largely in part to the Saudis and the Americans flooding and overproducing as per the OPEC agreement. But hopefully with the kind of the consumer confidence we've been seeing with the new normal, that balances out. I know everybody's on pins and needles, so we'll see how it goes.
Yes, yes, indeed.
The real estate market's been responding well so far through the early months of spring. The Metro Calgary listings are up slightly to 5,061, and the Red Deer listings are actually pretty stable. They're up very slightly, 570 listings. They're up 15 listings over last week. Luckily, sales are climbing as well, and we're seeing pretty balanced markets across the board.
Well, as for the absorption rate with the Calgary months of inventory, the total market is reflecting 2.95 months, which suggests we're in a balanced market overall. As it pertains to single-family homes, we're at 2.02 months, which suggests the seller's market, which we're all very excited about from that aspect. And for condos, we're sitting flat from last week at 4.91, which insinuates we're still in a buyer's market, of course, but keep positive. As for surrounding markets, what are we doing there?
Surrounding markets, and just a real quick recap on the absorption rate for some of the newer agents. The absorption rate is how long a market can sustain itself without any new listing inventory coming on, which tells us buyer's market, seller's markets, balanced markets. The surrounding areas have actually been doing pretty well. Okotoks, the absorption rate's dropped to 4.64 months. Cochrane is up slightly to 5.03 months. Sundry's been doing a fantastic job. The agents out in that office continue to do a top-notch job. 11.2 months inventory down from 17.67, so significant drop there. Red Deer's up very slightly, but they've been doing a great job out there, 6.33 months. Airdrie is down 3.15. One of the more stable markets through the last couple of years. Airdrie's been doing a stellar job. And then Strathmore is also doing an incredible job. The market out there has dropped to 5.77 months inventory.
Excellent.
The benchmark price is at 438.1.